This is our QLQ standard configuration nylon zipper capping machine. Now this is a customer sample. It's number 5 nylon zipper. This machine is working by the hooker capping model. This machine has the hooker capping model and the servo motor capping two-way. Look at now, it's the hooker capping model. Okay. We will let you know for which size you should use the capping model, hooker capping model, which size you should use the servo motor in another video. Now we just show to you the working situation. The outer bolt for this machine, please reference to our catalog. Also for other details, we have the detailed catalog. So you see, it's a very smooth, okay, without half teeth. So if you are interested for this machine, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.